AccuCold refrigerator model FF7LWPLUS2ADA troubleshooting. AccuCold 24-inch freestanding counter-depth compact refrigerator with 5.5 cubic feet capacity, 3-wire shelves, right hinge, with door lock, automatic defrost ADA compliant, factory installed low. Troubleshooting. Refrigerator does not operate. Not plugged in. The circuit breaker has tripped or fuse has blown. The thermostat is turned off. Turns on and off frequently. The room temperature is warmer than normal. A large amount of food has been added to the refrigerator. The door is opened too often. The door is not closed completely. The temperature control is not set correctly. The door gasket does not seal properly. The refrigerator does not have the correct clearances. Vibrations. Check to be sure that the refrigerator is level. The refrigerator seems to make too much noise.